Good day all, welcome once again to my channel Wealth Alert. Today I'd like this video to be very short because it's just an update on this particular coin listing project which was brought here 2 weeks ago. This particular project, following their roadmap, is on the verge of being listed. So this, for those who participated in this CAKECORE mining, this update is for you. Those who did not participate, you can share the video with those that participated and don't know how to go about it, so they can know how to claim their core most successfully and effectively and cash out big time. As you can see, and for those who participated, that this core cake mining has ended. From here you can see it has ended. So the next thing is how to proceed with the next stage. But meanwhile, let us still go back to their roadmap, because I showed it to you the other time when I was making this video. The roadmap says from August that the airdrop will stop, including the ICO, and then withdrawal will start. And from their notification on their Twitter channel, it shows that the withdrawal will commence from the 15th of this August, which is few days before now. That's why I'm making this video early, so whatever you need to do and the actions you need to take, you can do them and take those actions before time. So let's proceed. To successfully withdraw your cake that you have mined, you will need to have a Metamax wallet. Metamax wallet comes handy just the way you have your Trust wallet, but for avoidance of doubt, we'll install a new Metamax wallet and run through the process gradually. Once you download a new Metamax wallet and you open it, it opens up like this on your device. It asks you to get started. You click on getting started, you create a new wallet, you follow through the processes, you agree, then they ask you to impute you will see have to give your compliance again after going through their terms of use. Remember, you must go to the very end of the terms of use before the accept icon will show blue. So you click on it. You will now be required to input the password you will like to use whenever you want to open this particular Metamax app. So we are inputting my password now. I have inputted my password. Then I'll now click on this I understand. Then I create an account. I understand, then I create an account. I'm going through this process afresh just to avoid the assumptions that everybody know how to do this, and also to ensure that those who participated have value for what they have done. Let it not just become a waste, because once you don't claim the airdrop that you have mined, it's going to get burned by the system. So we click on start. So it's asking you to write down your secret recovery phrase on a piece of paper, and you store in a safe place, giving you different conditions. So you will still click on start. So now I need to input the same password I put earlier for me to proceed. I confirm. So it's asking me to tap to review my secret recovery phrase. At this stage, I'm going to put this video on pause so that in case I decide to use this Metamax wallet later, I will not be at risk. So after you copy down your key phrase and you are asked to input it in the right order to be sure that you have done it in accuracy, and you finish the process, it congratulates you, telling you that you have successfully protected your wallet. And they also tell you to remember to keep your secret recovery phrase safe, and it's your responsibility. It therefore means that if you forget or you misplace it, or it gets missing, all the funds in this particular Metamax wallet that you've created will be lost. So you click done. So now it has opened up a new account for you and it's welcoming you to your wallet. So it asks you to enable automatic security checks. If you desire, if you don't want, you can put no. If you want, you say yes. So it's asking you to take a tour, you say no. So this is a new account. This is how it comes. It comes on the Ethereum main network. That is a new Metamax account that you've downloaded. Comes in an Ethereum network. So for us to proceed, we will need to change this network. This network to the core network. Since this is a new account, checking the list of networks that exist here. These are networks I have used before, but we need a core network. So we need to add network. We'll click on add network. From this list here, we still can't see core. So it therefore means we need to add custom networks. So to add our network, we've added the network name, the RPC URL, the chain ID, the symbol, and the block explorer. You now click on add. So it now tells you that you have switched network. So you click got it. So you can now see that your network is going to be this core. And then you now have this core available for you to now either buy from another exchange, which I told you that core had been listed earlier. You buy from there. Then you now fund this your core, your Metamax core, and await it to use for the claiming of your CAKECORE. And also for the purpose of clarity, here is a core market cap. Remember I told you that once you are in doubt about any information on a particular crypto, you go to your coin market cap to search for it. So I'm in my coin market cap. I have typed in my core. It has opened. So informations, overview, general info that you need about it appears here. It shows you the community, the news, the market, the portfolio, its historical, everything you need. So once you're in doubt about any information on a coin, you come here, you will get it. You can see here are the different exchanges that core is listed on. The list goes on and on. Core USDT is listed on SuperX. The volume there is low. It's listed on Huobi, OKX, xt.com. Let's go up. It's also listed on Bybit, on Merc, on BitGet, on Bitmax. Remember the other day I told you I couldn't remember some of the apps it was listed. You can now see it with facts. It's listed on Gate.io. Why I'm showing you this is for you to know the particular place where it becomes easy. It's listed on L-Bank. It becomes easy for you to buy your core to carry out this transaction. Because I don't want to start seeing a message, help me with core, help me with core. Go to these exchanges. You must not have all. Having one is enough. If you don't have your L bank, you have your Mex, you have Bybit, Gate.io. At least one of them, you should use it to buy your core and fund your Metamax. So you get yourself prepared for the claiming of your cake core that you just mined. I believe you not want to mine any coin and leave it and gain nothing out of doing it. So you should also get profit from your effort. So we are back to our Metamax account. So all we need to do next is to click on this core and copy the wallet address so that I go to my Mex where I have already bought core and then fund it. So that's why I showed you the different exchanges where core is being listed, where you can go and buy and fund. I click on it, then I copy this receive to get my wallet address. I'm doing all these things step by step so you don't come back and start telling me I don't understand this, I don't understand that. So you copy. This is the copy here. So I have clicked copied. So I'm now going. The next page you will see is my Mex. So my Mex app is opening up. Still, for the avoidance of doubt, once you fund your Mex, you go to your wallet section here on your Mex. You click on your spots. It shows you the different coins that you have. So what you do is to copy your USDT address. You click on your USDT. You click on deposit. You choose whatever network you so desire. I usually prefer using my BIP20. So you choose whatever network you desire, copy your wallet address, then wherever you have USDT, you fund it to your Mex. So once you send the USDT to your Mex, you can now go to your trade icon here. You can now go to this trade icon here. You click on it. It opens up. You can see that I already have core here because I just finished the process, as I said earlier. You may not see core immediately you open yours, but you click on whatever coin you see here, then you search and type in the core that you want. You can see it has opened up, then you click on it. It will now pop up. So after clicking on it, what you are looking for here is to buy. Now you have funded with USDT. Bear in mind that most of our spot trading does not occur with less than 10 USDT value. So you impute the amount you want to buy here. You set the price. You either use limit or you use the market price. It will show you the amount of core. Then you click on buy. That is how you will have your core. See what I said about limit? You see, either limit or market. If you use market, once you put 10, your quantity of USDT, you put 10. You can see they said that the amount of USDT must be greater than or equal to 5. So invariably with 5 USDT value, you can buy your core. You must not buy up to 10. That is the meaning. So spot trading here can be carried out on your Mex with as little as 5 USDT value. You now click on buy. They are telling me insufficient balance because I don't have USDT. I've already bought my core before making this video. You can see, but as long as you have it, you can proceed with this particular process. So checking my position, you can see the core that I already have. I have a total of 28.94 core. And as at the time I bought this core, it was at 0.175. and the estimated profit I've made now is 1.67. No need to go into this because this is another angle entirely. But what you should bear in mind that I have bought the core. So I go back to my wallet where you can see the core that I have. Here it is. So what I need to do now is to click on send. That is, I'm withdrawing to my Metamax wallet. So I now click on withdraw. Let's see the minimum withdrawal that will be allowed here. I input my address. You remember we copied the address before we left our Metamax. This is my Metamax core address. Automatically you see core popped up because you send core on core network, not on any other network. You now input the amount you want to send. Then you proceed. So let me see if I want to send 4. Will it be allowed? They say minimum withdrawal is 10. I believe we are still together. So it therefore means if I'm to make any withdrawal here, I can only withdraw as low as 10. So I now input my 10 here to fund my Metamax account. Then after the whole process, the one that is not being used, I can now send it back to my Merc. There's no waste. So it therefore means buying that $5 worth, you have to increase it to having a 10 quantity of core. So before then, we'll go back so that some people will not be confused. You go back to your trade and ensure that you need to buy a 10 core. Okay, let's just put amounts. Let's put 10. So that means you are not buying anything less than $9. So because when you put 10 here, that is 10 core, it has shown you 8.75 USDT. So if you are buying, it's advisable you just put in $9. So it gives you this amount of core. It gives you this amount of core. So when you are sending it, you send it to your Metamax. After purchase, you send to your Metamax and fund it. So you can now use that Metamax that you have funded to carry out your process. So on the main Metamax account that I'm using, you can see I have my core here, and this is enough for me to proceed with my process. So I strongly believe that despite the fact the video went a little bit long for detailed explanation, I strongly believe with this detailed explanation, you have a clearer view on how to download your Metamax, get it registered, proceed with the process, install your additional network of the core network. The details of the adding of the core network will be dropped in the description box for avoidance of doubt so that you don't make mistakes. You now know how to fund your core that you will use to claim your cake. So see you on the 15th, where we come and share the results of the cake that we have claimed. Bye for now.